Hello viewers, in this video I am gonna show you how to do the same style of thumbnail step by step. At the end of this tutorial, you would be able to do this same style thumbnails for your YouTube channel. So let's get started. First, create a full HD new document. First, add a background. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Go to Filter and choose Gaussian Blur. Follow this process. Follow this process. Reduce the opacity to keep around 7%. Hold Shift and click the bottom layers. Thumbnail background is ready. Then add a subject. Go to File menu and choose Place Embedded. Right-click and go to Blending option. Follow this process. Create a new layer. Take a brush tool. And add a glow effects behind the subject. Follow this process. Take a type tool and write your desired text. Press Ctrl-T and right-click and choose Skew. Follow this process. Right-click and go to Blending option. Add a drop shadow. Follow this process. Follow this process. Right-click and choose Copy Layer Style. Right-click and choose Paste Layer Style. Right-click and go to Blending option and change color. Go to File menu and choose Place Embedded. Add a particles. First need to change particles color. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Hue or Saturation. Follow these process. Go to Filter and add a Gaussian blur. To make a final color correction over all the layers. To make everything look super professional, we need to choose the first layer right here, and press Ctrl-Alt-Shift and E. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Then go to Filter menu and choose Camera Raw Filter. Follow this process. You need to play with these settings, because you guys using different cameras, and you have different thumbnails. So color correction should be different every one of you, and all this color correction should be different. Follow this process. So when you are done with the color correction, just press OK and ready your super cool thumbnail. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you.